Alright, so I got this carpenter's vise with clamp right here at Harbor Freight a couple years ago, about $20 as I recall. Wanted to mount it into my bench where I could, ever since I bought it, it's been like on top of the table somewhere and it's always getting in the way. It was getting in the way no matter where I put it. So I wanted to put it in like a woodworker's vise. So what I've done here is I used some scrap 2x4s to clamp into the clamp part of it. And then on the back where you can put screws in, I put another piece of 2x4 and then 2x4 scrap in between those two to sandwich it in. Then I just screwed it into my table on all sides and clamped up a couple pieces of wood that I mitered the ends on and drilled and screwed those into place. Now for the side, I took this piece of scrap right here and I measured up and cut a whole bunch of holes going down the leg of my bench. That way now and again I'm working with something that's a little bit longer and I want to clamp it up, and this way I can put in a little cut of dowel in one of these holes to hold the other side of the workpiece. So while I'm drilling all these holes, let me remind you to stay tuned to the end of this video, as there's a little clip of these Carolina Wrens that have nested in my garage, and I got a little video clip of the family having lunch. So stay tuned for that here in a second. So for this piece on the leg here, I actually glued up the back and then clamped it in place and then screwed it in. I'm sure just the 3 screws would have done fine, but I did that. Now I cut off a piece of this dowel I had laying around, 3/4 inch, and put it in there. Then just for a little test run, put in some scrap here and cut me a couple of dovetails. So do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you around in the future. Have a good one.